Immediate panic attack relief. Hi there, I'm Recovery Mum, and I'm here with you right now. You're having a panic attack, and I want you to know you're going to be okay. This feeling is temporary, even though it doesn't feel that way right now. Whether this panic is about fear of relapse, a family crisis, or just the overwhelming nature of supporting someone through recovery, I understand. And we're going to get through this together right now. Wherever you are, sitting, standing, lying down, just stay there. Don't try to move or change anything. Put one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. You are safe. This will pass. I'm going to help you use your breath to send an immediate signal to your nervous system that you're okay, even when recovery feels scary and uncertain. Let's start with something called box breathing. This is fast and effective for panic, especially when it's about family recovery stress. I'm going to count with you, and we'll do this together. Breathe in for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold empty for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again immediately. In for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more round. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your nervous system is already starting to calm down. The fear about your loved one's recovery doesn't control your breathing. You're taking control back right now. Now we're going to combine breathing with grounding. Keep breathing steadily while you do this with me. This pulls you away from the panic spiral about recovery what-ifs and brings you back to what's real right now. The next part of this is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding, where we see, feel, hear, smell, and taste. Look around and tell me 5 things you can see. Say them out loud if you can, or just in your mind. I can see. Keep breathing slowly while you do this. Now 4 things you can touch or feel. I can feel. Maybe your feet on the ground, your back against a chair, the air on your skin, the fabric of your clothes. Keep breathing while you notice these. 3 things you can hear. I can hear. Maybe my voice, maybe sounds around you, maybe your own heartbeat or breathing. You're anchored to this present moment, not the fear spiral. 2 things you can smell. I can smell. The air around you, your clothes, anything at all. Keep breathing steadily. 1 thing you can taste. I can taste. Maybe just the inside of your mouth. That's perfect. You are here. You are present. You are safe. The panic about recovery challenges is separate from this present moment of safety. Now we're going to focus on longer exhales. This directly activates your calm down response, even when family recovery feels overwhelming. Breathe in normally for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out slowly for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, in for 3. 1, 2, 3. Out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. In for 3. 1, 2, 3. Out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this pattern with me. In for 3, out for 6. Do this 3 more times at your own pace, and I'll count with you. In for 3, out for 6. In for 3, out for 6. In for 3, out for 6. The panic is lessening. You're taking control back from the fear about your family's recovery journey. Now we're going to do something called a physiological sigh. This is the fastest way to calm down your nervous system when family recovery stress creates panic. Take a normal breath in through your nose and then take a second, smaller breath in through your nose on top of it, like a double inhale. Then let out a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Let's do it together. First breath in through your nose. Now a second, smaller breath in through your nose and a long exhale out through your mouth. Again, breath in, second breath in, long exhale out. One more, in, second breath in, long exhale out. This technique immediately tells your brain that you're safe, even when recovery feels scary and uncertain. Your panic attack is ending. The worst of the panic is over. Your body is calming down. Let's confirm what's real right now. You are safe in this moment. Look around you. You are in a safe place. This feeling is temporary. Family recovery anxiety always passes. You have survived every worry about your loved one's recovery that you've ever had. And you're surviving this one too. Your fear was trying to protect your family, but there's no immediate danger right now. Your loved one's recovery is a journey with ups and downs, but this panic moment doesn't change that journey. Breathe normally now. You don't need to control your breath anymore. Just let it be natural. Notice how you feel. Is your heart rate slowing down? Are your muscles relaxing? Are your thoughts becoming clearer about what you can actually control? You did this. You calmed yourself down. You have this power. Even in the middle of family recovery challenges, you've made it through. The panic attack is ending or has ended. You are okay, and your family's recovery journey continues. Take a moment to appreciate your incredible strength. Panic attacks about family recovery are terrifying, but you faced it and used tools to help yourself. That takes real courage. Your body might feel tired now. That's completely normal. Be gentle with yourself for the next hour or two. Drink some water if you can. Rest if possible. Remember these techniques for family recovery anxiety: box breathing, 5-4-3-2-1 grounding, extended exhales, and physiological sighs. You can use any of these the moment you feel panic starting about recovery situations. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and more capable than you know. Supporting someone through recovery is incredibly challenging, but you now know how to help yourself through the panic it can create. You're going to be okay. Your family is going to be okay. Find more family recovery support at familyrecoverymum.com. I hope this helped. Remember, I'm sharing what worked for our family as a recovery parent. For serious concerns or crisis situations, please reach out to professionals. Take care of yourself.